Hello everyone, I just wanted to quickly show you a trade that I took early this morning. It's already given me a truly incredible return, as you can see here on my phone MT4. I'm currently $4,000 in profit on Bitcoin USD, and this is all thanks to my tried and tested system that is consistently able to make me absolutely incredible profits with minimum risk. I'll just show you right here on my mobile MT4 the chart and balance page with my current profit.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Woo! Endless celebrations all in my house. Yeah. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Yeah. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Yeah. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business so humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. Been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup, that's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
This really is so powerful and has the potential to change accounts in such a short time. The key is to be patient and wait for the system to determine a good entry for myself. So as you can all see, this trade has really done what my system indicated, and I'm okay with taking profit here at a little over $4,000. I just relax, I take it easy, and I let the market come to me. I'll keep on the lookout for new high quality trades to show you guys, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in the next one.